Hello and welcome to this in my series on indices and surds part 2. I hope you watched part 1 for law of indices and part 2 for part 1 for surds as well. Now straight away, my appeal to the gentleman who sends me not very nice posts on my accent. Just watch the video, forget the accent. Okay, now we are supposed to find x. Okay, we've got that 5x divided by 25 into power x minus 1. There's a minus sign there somewhere. Is equal to root 5. Now what we need to do is to express every term as with the base of 5, so 5 to the power something. We can do that, and we know that 25 is 5 squared, hence 5 squared there into the power x minus 1 is equal to that. Now the square root of 5 is same as 5 to the power half. And by the law of indices, because we are dividing there, we can now subtract the indices. So it will be x, 5 into x minus 2 into x minus 1. And that will be equal to 5 to the power half, as we got here. We now have to equate the indices. So we say that 5 into 2 into 5 minus 2 into x minus 1 is equal to half. That's what we got here. And multiply both sides by 2, we end up with minus 2x plus 4 is equal to 1. And that gives us that minus 2x is equal to minus 3. If we then multiply both sides by minus 1, you end up with 2x is equal to 3, and x then becomes 3 over 2. Now to check, and if we go back to the original equation there, if x is 3 over 2, that becomes 5 into 3 over 2, okay, and 3 over 2 minus 1 will give me a half times 2 will give me 1, so that will now reduce to 5 to the power 3 over 2 divided by 5 to the power 1. And because we're dividing, and according to the law of indices, we can subtract 1 from 3 over 2, which is a half. So the left hand side is 5 to the power half, which is equal to the right hand side, which is 5 to the power half. So we're checked. Now for surds, we are asked to simplify this expression here, and straight away the lowest common multiple is 1 plus root 3 times 1 minus root 3. So we need to do something to rationalize the denominator, because we don't want any square root sign there. Anyway, let's see how we get on. So that now becomes 5 into 1 minus root 3 minus 1 plus root 3 divided by 1 squared minus root 3 all squared. Okay, when you open all the brackets, we end up with 5 minus 5 root 3 minus 1 minus root 3, and 5 minus 1 is 4, and minus 5 root 3 minus root 3 will give us minus 6 root 3, and 1 squared, which is 1 minus 3, will give you minus 2. So we end up with 4 minus 6 root 3 divided by minus 2. And when you divide by minus 2, we end up with 3 root 3, because 6 divided by minus 6 divided by minus 2 give me 3. We end up with 3 root 3 minus 2. And I hope that's been of some help. Please subscribe, and I'll see you again sometime. Bye bye now.